students, we are having our next class on QM method. It's a method which is not manual. You can write an algorithm for this method. You can do the programming for this method. So this is QM method. It is Quine-McCloskey method devised by this person. And if we have a function which is given in terms of sum of min terms plus don't care terms, we can very easily reduce it into a minimized Boolean expression. So what is the method is, if you follow the algorithm, according to the algorithm, first list all the min terms plus don't care terms in their binary representation. First task. So we have first task V, W, X, Y and Z. These are the 5 variables. Just divide the board and list every number. So first number is 1. And how do you list them? Put the min terms which have single ones together. Put the min terms which have 2 ones together. Put the min terms which have 3 ones together. 4 ones together, 5 ones together. And if there is no one, that should be separate. So you have to form groups of when there is no one, single ones, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones and 5 ones. So we have 1, binary number 1. So it is represented as 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is only possible for single one terms are which are 2 to the power x, 2 to the power 0. Is there any 2? No. 4? Yes. 4, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Then 8 is not there. And then 8 के बाद क्या होगा? 16. 16 is also not there. So we have these are the 2 terms, 1 and 4, which are listed with 2 single 1. Then we have to look for terms which are having 2 ones. 4 के बाद 5. 5 has 2 ones, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. 6 is not there. 7 has 3 ones. 9 has 2 ones. You know how to represent it. Then you have 11. How do you represent 11? 8 plus 2 plus 1. 3 ones. Then 12. 12 is 8 plus 4 is 12. Then there is 11. 11 is 8 plus 2 plus 1. What is 14? 14 is 8 plus 4 plus 2. 8 plus 4 plus 2, 3 ones. 15 is 4 ones. So I just put a dash here. 1, 4, 5, 9. Which are used? 1, 4, 5, 9 and 12. Then 3 ones. 11 is 8 plus 2 plus 1, 11. Then 12 ho gaya. Then we have 7. So let's have 7 first and then 11. 7, 11, 8 plus 2 plus 1. Then 12 is already there. What is 14? 8 plus 4 is 12. This is 14. Then we have 15. What is 15? 4 ones. So I think 15 I'll put it 1, 2, 3, 4. यहाँ एक मैंने 4 हो गया. 1, 4, 5, 9, 11, 12, 14, 15, 7 is also there. Then 25. How do you represent 25? 25 is 16 plus 8 is 24 and plus 1 is 25. So 3 ones. 25. Then 26. 26 is also having 3 ones. +16 + 8 24 + 2 26. ठीक है. अभी 15 रह गया, हम उसको लिखते हैं. Then 27, 20 is, what is 27? 27 is 18 plus 16 plus 8, 24 plus this is 4 months. So 15 here and 27 here. Something like 0, 1, 1, 1, 1 is 25, 5, 15 and 27 is 16 plus 8, 24, 24 plus 2, 26, 27. Then 25, 26, 27, 30. What is 30? 6, 30 and 31. 31 is all months. This is 30. 16 plus 8, 24 plus 4 and 31 is all months. So this is 5 months. Can you see? So we have 1, 4, 5, 9, 12. Then there is not 7, we have 17. I think I put it wrongly. 17. What is 17? I don't have 7. What is 17? Is 16 plus 1. 17. 16 and 1. I'll just shift these values. More visible to you. 15, 27. मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ लिखना कैसे, नहीं तो मैं यहाँ I would have made a PPT also, but this is a better way of showing it to you. You should know how to represent them in binary. So first task is represent all the min terms in binary. Represent all the min terms in binary, then group them according to their indexes. That means single one, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones and 5 ones, because there are 5 variables. So we have to go up to 5 ones. Fine. So these grouping have been made. Then is fine. Now you have to again group them. Okay, let's take another pen. How to group them? You can group this with this with this. Only neighboring groups can be they can be grouped together. And how do you group them? You have to see that there should be only one bit change. When you move from one group to another, there should be one bit change. So can you group 1 and 5? Yes. You can see that only this bit is changing. So if you group 0, 0, this bit is changing. So the bit which is changing, put a dash there. Okay. 1, 5. 1, 9. Yes. You can see that this bit is changing. 1, 12, no, because this bit is changing, and this bit is changing. 1, 17, yes. So this is how you make pairs. Pairs are made when there is a change from one group to another, and that too of only single bit. Okay. Then next part, you have to take each and every min term. You have taken all the min terms. I have taken all the don't care terms in this table. Then 4, 5. If you see 4 comma 5, so 0, 0, 1, 0 dash. Only the last bit is changing, LSB. 4 comma 9, no, more bits are changing. 4 comma 12, yes. Only one bit is changing. And 4 comma 17, no, more bits are changing. Okay. You can look to the bits and see to it. So this is one way. So all the pairs of these two groups, they have been made. Put a then you have to take these two groups. This one where there are 2 ones and this one where there are 3 ones. 5 comma 11, can you make a group? No. Because this bit is changing, next bit is changing, next bit, 3 bits are changing. 9 comma 11, can you make a group? Yes. So where? 0, 1, then 0, dash and 9 comma 12 comma 11 cannot be done because 11 is smaller than 12. 17 comma 11 is also not possible because 11 is smaller than 17. So this is again. Then 5 comma 14. 5 comma 14. 1 bit change. 2 bits are changing. No. 9 comma 14. 2 bits are, more bits are changing. No. 12 comma 14. Yes. Can you see? 0, 1, 1, dash. Then 12 comma 25. No, first bit is changing, more bits are changing. 12 comma 26. More bits are changing? No. So this is over. Now next is 17. 17 with 11. Not possible because 11 is smaller than 17. Okay. 17 with 14 again not possible because it is smaller. 17 with 25. 17 with 25. Can you see 17 with 25? So, yes or no? Yes. And 17 with 26, again, this bit changes, 3 bits changes, so no. So this is all over. This is all we can make the groups using the min terms which are present here in this group and in this group. Then is, what can be done with this and this? Can you have 11 and 15? 15, yes, we'll have 0, 1, dash, 1, 1. 11 and 27. First bit is changing. 11 and 30, almost many bits are changing. Then 14 and 15. 14 and 15, you can see that only the LSB is changing. 14 and 27, this bit is changing, this is same, this is changing. So no. 14 and 30. 14 and 30. So we'll have dash 1, 1, 1. These are the pairs that can be made. Again, 25 with 15. No, more bits are changing. 25 with 27. 25 with 27. 1, 1, 0. 3 bits are same. This is changing. 1. Then 25 with 30. This is same, this is same, this is same, so no. Then 26 with 15. No. 26 with 27. this bit is same, this is same, this is same, this is same. 1, 1, 0, 1 and dash. And 26 with 30. So this is how you make pairs. So whatever all pairs are possible with this, I have listed out here. ठीक है, अभी भी कुछ रह गया है. Let's, ये ग्रुप बन गया. ठीक है, उसके बाद हो गया नेक्स्ट. लास्ट में जब लास्ट 2 ग्रुप्स रह जाते हैं तो इनकी पेयरिंग पॉसिबल ही होती है, क्योंकि 1 बिट चेंज है, एक ही बिट चेंज हुआ होगा. तो लेट इट बी 15, 31. तो इसमें क्या बिट चेंज है? Then 27, 31. Can you see the change? And 30. comma 31. So these are all listed groups which we have. So now what we have to do is this is okay. One was missed. 9, 25. So 9, 25 में क्या रह गया? One bit is same. 1, 0. ये एक हमने मिस कर दिया. So I rechecked it. So these are. So now you have to make the choices. 1 is used. 5 is used. 1 is used. 9 is used. 1, 17. 1 is used. 17 is used. 4, 5. 4 is used. 5 is used. 4, 12. ठीक है. तो यानी कि ये जो मिन टर्म्स हैं या डोंट केयर टर्म्स हैं, they are not single. They are always making a pair with some other min term or a don't care term. So they are not isolated. Then 9, 11. 9, 25. 12, 14, 17, 25. So again, if you see, all these 3 are also used. 26 is still missing. Then 11, 15, 11, 27, 14, 15, 14, 30, 25, 27, 26, 27, 26, 30. And in last, so basically, out of all the min terms and don't care terms present, there are no isolated terms, min terms. So that means every term is making a pair at least. ठीक है, तो ये पेयर बनना है. अब आपने इसके आगे चलना है. इसके आगे कैसे चलना है? Again you have to make the pairing of groups. These are the groups. You have to pair them. How to pair them? You have to match the dashes. The terms whose dashes are being matched, they'll make a quad. 2 groups, these are the groups, and they are making pairs. So if you join 2 pairs, it will make a quad. ठीक है? पहले single terms थी, उनको जोड़ा pairs बने, उनको जोड़ेंगे तो quad बनेगा. So how do you do it? How do you match them? This dash is at V, W, X, Y, Z, at in the middle. दो इधर है, दो इधर. So any term which is having a dash in the middle, here, any term which is having a dash in the middle, no, इसकी किससे pairing नहीं होती. Dash at second position, and there should be 1 bit change. Can you pair second position कहाँ है? यहाँ. Can you pair this and this? 1, 9 and 7, 20, 17, 25. This and this. You can see there is a dash at the same position. This one, this one. Can you match them? First bit is changing, but rest bits. If you match the dashes, first bit is changing. Second is dash. Dash are matched and rest of the bits are same. So you can combine them. 1, 9, 17, 25. So you have dash, 0, 0. 1, 9, I will now mark them, and 17, 25. Then third, dash is at first position, MSB. And this, can you match them? Yes. 1, 17, 9, 25. They are same actually. They are same. 1, 17 and 9, 25. Now dash is at the last position. There is no term where the dash is at the last position. ये use नहीं होगी. Dash is again at the second position. This dash is at the second position. Any dash at second position, this one. If you match them, this, there is one bit change, second is also changing, third. So there are more bits changing, so you cannot combine 4, 12, 17, 25. So in this all, only this combination was possible. Okay. अगला क्या है? If you see through this, dash is at this position. Second, 2 to the power 1. Any dash at second position? This one. Can you combine 9, 11, 25, 27? This bit is same, this is same, this is same. Yes. 9, 11, 9, 11, 25, 27. They have a dash at this position. Last bit is 1, 9, 11, 1. This bit is same, this is same, and this bit is changing. 9, 11, 25, 27. 9, 11, 25, 27. और कोई नहीं. Then you have this term 9, 25. The dash is at first position. Can you have this? 9, 25, 11, 27? Yes. 9, 25, 11, 27. There is a dash here. There is 1, 0 here. 9, 25, 11, 27. Dash 1, 0, dash 1. So 9, 25, 11, 27. So ये term use हो गई है जो mark हो गई. अगली क्या है? Is there any term with first dash at first position? ये वाला. 9, 25, 14, 30. This is dash. One is same. These two bits are changing. So you cannot make a group or a quad. Then comes 12, 14. Fine. 12, 14 में क्या है? Dash is at this position. Can you combine it with anybody? Any other term here? This is at third position. First, this is second. This is only term. Can you combine 12, 14 and 25, 27? No. This bit is changing, this is same, this is changing, this is changing. No. Then 75, this 17, 25. This is dash at this 1, 2, 3, 4th position. So dash at 4th position. No. So ये खत्म हो गया. These combinations are not. Again, can you combine any term this with this? We have to see. Can you combine any term this with this? Let's see. So these are basically same terms. These are basically same terms. I can mark this as, I'll mark it later on. These are same, using the same min terms and don't care term. So they will give you the same expression. Then this dash is at third position. This, can you combine this with this? Yes. 11, 15, 27, 31. So what do you get? Dash is at this position. 1, 1, 1 and dash. This is one term. 11, 15, 27 30. ठीक है, अगला this with first dash 11 27 15 31. 11 27 15 30. एक क्वाड और बन गया. So these are basically, if you see, they will give the same expression. So you can use only one, but just for marking the terms here, आपको ये लिखने पड़ेंगे. You have to write these for marking the terms on your table. Then 14 15, there is a dash at the end. You can combine 14 15 with 30 31. 14 15 30 31. So there is a dash here. First bit is changing, 1 1 1 and dash is at the last position. So 14 15 30 31. Then 14 30. There is a dash at first position. 14 30 15 31. तो आप देखेंगे these are same. हमें मार्क करना पड़ेगा. We cannot avoid this because we want to take all the pairs, whatever pairs are possible. ठीक है ना? So when you make a quad, you will get two terms, two quads, but they will have same min terms and don't care terms. So it will itself reduce to one only. But just to mark the pairs, you have to write both, so that all the pairs are marked. So 14 30 15 31. So this is marked, this is marked, this is marked. So they are already being used in quad. So we will not select them. Then 25 27. This is a dash at second position. So there is no term here, whereas there is a dash at second. Then this, there is a dash at last. So 26 27 30 31. So there is a dash at last position. 1 1 और 0 पे डैश आएगा 1. 26 27 30 30. Keep on marking. And 26 30 27 30. So there are no isolated terms. That means all the terms are making pairs. Now we have to look for pairs, whether they are making quad, they are being used in quads. So they are, whatever terms pairs are there, they are being used in quads. Any more terms? No. Can you, this is one group, second group and third group. Right? All the terms have been marked, then you can rub these off. You can mark them. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E. What is A? What is A? It is V, W, X, Y, Z. X bar, Y bar, Z. What is B? W, X bar, Z bar. W, X bar, Z. What is C? V, W, X, Y, Z. What is D? W, X and Y. And what is E? V, W, X, Y. ये हो गया. अब इसको रिड्यूस कैसे किया जाए? हमें क्या पता हमारा एक्सप्रेशन में क्या आना चाहिए, क्या नहीं आना चाहिए. Now we have to make a prime implicant table. We can have an expression without don't care terms. I just took one. We can have an expression with don't care terms. So if you have expression with don't care terms, include all those don't care terms here. Fine? Along with min terms. Then आप कहोगे मैम क्या रिडक्शन हुआ, क्या आना चाहिए रिडक्शन होके, पता तो लग नहीं रहा. So when you do this, you have to make one prime implicant table with this. And in the prime implicant table, you will have all the terms. Now first we should find out this is being used, this is being used, this is being used. Okay. This being used all. In this is not used, this one. That means in making a quad. So this term will be EF. What is it? W bar. Then what is this? X. Sorry, it just starts with V. V bar, W, X, Y, Z bar. ऊपर क्या आएगा? This is another term. F, G. What is this term? V bar. जरूरत नहीं लिखेंगी पर मैं आपको बता रही हूँ. ये बार है, eliminate X, Y bar, Z bar. तो ये सारी terms आपकी F आ जाएंगी. All these terms will be F. What is F? A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G plus, let's see more. This is also not being used. So this is H. V bar, W bar, X, Y bar. And this is also not being used. This is I. So V bar, W bar, X, Y bar, Z. G, H plus I. ये सारी टर्म आएंगी. So is this a reduced expression? Is this expression a reduced expression? No. So what to do? What to do is you make a prime implicant table. Let me make a prime implicant table here. Just I'll take few minutes. I have to rub this off. बहुत गंदा हो गया. And write all the terms here. And how to make that prime implicant table? चलो कोई बात नहीं. Let me draw it here. We'll have the terms A. It is 1, 9, 17, 25. All the selected terms. This is A. Okay. आ जाएगा. It is X bar, Y bar, Z. X bar, Y bar, Z. Then B. What is B? 9, 11, 25, 27. आप बोलोगे मैम ये सब कुछ क्यों लिख रही हो? Because I want all these things for me. So this is the prime implicant table. You will write all the selected terms from the previous table in this table vertically. Okay. Then C. What is C? 11, 15, 27, 31. This is C. What is it? W, Y, Z. कहीं गलती होगी कोई नहीं, we'll see to it. Then we have D. What is 14, 15, 30, 31. This is D. D. Then we have 26, 27, 30, 31. This is E. Then we have F. Actually, it's V bar, W, X, Z bar. What is X? What was F? F, G, H, I. I want to write 6 more terms. Yeah, write it. What are those terms? One is 1, 5. 1, 5, and this is I. And how do you represent 1, 5? It was This is, and the gap is here. So it's V bar, W bar, Y bar, and this is one term. This is H 1 comma 5. What was H is 4 comma 5. What is 4 and 5? 4 and 5 is 101. So I write here dash. मैंने रब कर दिया, नहीं तो वहीं से उतार लेते. So it's V bar, W bar, X, Y bar, and this is eliminated. What is G? कौन सी टर्म थी? I think I missed that. 4 comma 12. And the last F was V bar, W, एक टर्म रह गई हमारी. So V bar, W, X. So हमने ये सारी terms which we have sorted in the previous one, we have written them on the blackboard. अब क्या करना है? We just rub this off. So अब हमने prime implicant table बनाना है. अब vertically तो हमने ये सारी terms लिख दी. Horizontally क्या आएगा? What should be there in the prime implicant table? We'll have list all the minterms here, only minterms. We'll list all the minterms horizontally, but no don't care terms. We'll have 4, 5, 9, 11, 12, 14, 15, 27 and 30. So this is a prime implicant table. And you mark all the terms. You mark all the terms. You have 1, 9, put across, 17, 25, 9, 11, 25, 27. Then 11, 15, 27, 31, 14, 15, 14, 15, 30, 31, 26, 27, 30, 31, 12 and 14. So 12, 14, 4 and 12. So 4 and 12, 4 and 5, and 1 and 5. So these are how you have listed all the min terms in the prime implicant table. This table is called prime implicant table. I can rub this off. This is a table and it is called prime implicant table, and this table is just made to minimize your expression further from the first step. You can see in all the columns 4, 5, 9, 11, 12, 14, 15, there are no single crosses. There are more than one cross. अब क्या करेंगे? Look for, first step is when you want to minimize it, look for single cross in the table. Look for single cross in the table. There are no single cross in the columns. अब double cross है तो क्या करेंगे? First is all the columns which are dominating, they are removed. All the dominating columns, they are removed. Can you see any column which is having the same crosses and other column which is, so the question is remove all the dominating columns and remove all the dominated rows. The question is remove all the dominated columns and remove all the dominated rows. So, remove dominating columns first. तो कोई ऐसा लग रहा है जो कॉलम ज्यादा हो, इसको कोई कर रहा है? नहीं, इसमें ऐसे है. Can you see that your column 27 is dominating column with minterm 11? You can see 27 mein this is this. So remove dominating columns. So remove this column. Remove this column. If you remove this column, what you are left with? Look for any other dominating column. A column which is dominating any other column? No. No. ठीक है? First task किया. अगला task क्या है? Look for dominated rows. Remove dominating columns and then remove dominated rows, the rows which are dominated. Can you see which row is dominating? You can say B dominates A, ठीक है? Then H dominates I, or D dominates E. Remove dominated rows. Remove dominating columns and then remove, this is second step, dominated rows. So B dominates A, so dominated rows are delete this. Where is I? Delete this and D dominates E. delete this. ठीक है, तो हमारे पास क्या बचा, ये हमारे पास we are left with this, then remove this and then remove this. Are these good enough for writing? So we are left with this expression. We will have B, C, D, F, G, H. So what is the, if you see one by one, this is single column. This is single, so that means this is important. Then for this is single, so this is also important, essential prime implicant. These are two ones, these have two ones, this have two ones, this have two ones. This is single one, single cross, so this is also an essential prime implicant. First step in the prime implicant table is remove, if there are no single cross in the columns, then first is remove dominating columns. After removing all the dominating columns, remove dominated rows. And after removing this, then look for single cross in the table. So if you look for single cross in the table, so these are important terms, essential prime implicants. So what it is covering? What is this is covering? 9, 11, 25, 27. What is this? 14, 15, 30, 31. कौन कौन से मिड टर्म कवर हो गई है? 9, 11, 14, 15, 30. लास्ट में क्या है? 4, 5. तब कौन सी मिड टर्म रहेगी which is not covered? 12. The mid term which is not covered is 12. That means there is no need of this. Your C is, this C is not covering 12. So eliminate C. Then we have two terms which is covering F and G, which is covering 12. So either you can take F or you can take G. So in end, what is the function? Boolean expression, minimized Boolean expression. It is B plus D plus H plus F. Or if it not F, then this is the minimized Boolean expression for the above given function. And how do you write it? W x bar z. What is D? W x y. What is H? V bar, W bar, x y bar. What is F? V bar, W x z bar. Or if not this, V bar, x y bar. So this is the minimized Boolean expression using a QM method. You will say, ma'am, this is going to be, this is so lengthy. No, I'll tell you one more trick to do it on a quicker. You can say faster. अब इसको verify करना है. I have to verify this expression. So what I am going to do is I can make a K-map and verify it. Just for your satisfaction, whether the method is correct or not, we can actually make a K-map and check it. How do you make it? It's 5 variables, make 2 4-variable K-maps. So this is W, X, Y, Z, and there B is equal to 0. So 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, another one. This is for v equal to 1. Again w, x, y, z. Zero, 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 one, 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 one. Zero, 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 one. Fine. And this is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, according to the 2. So we have 4, 5, 4, 5, 9, 11, 12, 14, 15, 27 and 30. 1, 17, 25, 1, 17, 25, 26, 31. You can see the markings. What all can be made? So we have to just cover the midterms. So this is one. So what is this? V is 1. So W is fixed and X is changing and Y is fixed, Z is changing. So V, W, Y जो भी बनाया. Then I can map this to this. I think there is no need of this. I can map this to this. No need of this. This is V is changing. V is changing. W x bar. W x bar. And Y is changing Z. This is one. One, we can say. Another is this one. You put one, this over this will be a quad. दो नीचे and दो ऊपर. Again here there is no V because V is changing. So we have Wx for this and this. Wx and Y is fixed. Wx, Y. ठीक है. एक मिड टर्म ये होगी. अब इसमें कौन सी मिड टर्म रहेगी? We'll make one this. So what will this give to me? We'll have V bar, W bar, X and Y bar. And there is only one midterm left. Either we can make this group with this 4, we can make a group of 4, 12. ठीक है? Either we can make this 4, 12. It will give us V bar and W is changing X, Y bar, Z bar. This is one. Another change what we can have is odd this with this. So this will give V bar Wx and Z. So this is what we are getting. These are compulsory, 2 quads. This square is pairing is also compulsory. This pairing or this pairing, they are optional. Either can do this pairing or do this pairing. So that is what we are getting. So this was all about QM method. I just gave you the thing in one class only, how to do it, how to take the when terms along with the don't care terms, and if we are having problem minimizing it, how to minimize it using a prime implicant table. Thank you.